500 views in 12 hours, thank you. And that's my second day in Chamonix. It's like 1:20 p.m, 6 p.m, 7 p.m will be finish of TDS. 140-kilometer round. Now my plan is to recharge my laptop. I edited all night. Yeah, 6 p.m. I'm filming all day, editing at night, video every day. Welcome. That's the main everything in Chamonix. Finish line. Love this place. This weather is so bad. Nice bus like. Let's go to the village. Try to not buy things. This t-shirt, 30 euros. Free food. Testing the neck. I hope, Jeff, you are right. It's good. Professional YouTubers, not like me. Dacia, I love you, but not that much to pay for your jacket, 79 euros. Dacia looks amazing. I love this green color. More confident my setup. Something for free. You can get this for free if you just put your here at bar, put your email. Check them out, cool guys. They have some kind of game.
So I'd like to call if you'd like to present your
Take lesson from Ultra, other companies. Fun game, new release product. Chorus free. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chorus is a really good company. I need to watch more reviews about Chorus. That could be a nice cheap watch. Interesting, I don't see Strava here. Remember they had some controversy with price. Oh my goodness. What is this? What a prehistoric coyotes. It's live. They started like at almost midnight. Let's test this bot. Giving them my fake email. Use this email sometimes, don't worry. This lens. Please be quiet after 10 p.m. Relax, French people. Filming work. 5 euro for those. Now I need to think where will be the best place to film the finish line. Already people are sending the bon appetit.
You do an interview?
How do you like Chamonix right now? Oh, I'm just filming what's around. My friends from US that I've met waiting. Cool people. Someone with a good camera. People are still waiting. Decided I'm staying basically in front of the finish line.
C'est à vous!
Let's get ready to rumble!
Le premier Canadien
Representing the Canadian national team! It's the BF champion for 20! And he's just won the TDS speciality. His wife Amber, who was with him at this. What a team! How does it feel and how with our champion of the
UTMB.
TDS?
Tell me that wasn't epic.
Sitting is well now, we just
Never dreamed that this might happen. A good night, our second place finisher everyone.
Third place.
You've been wonderful.
Work like Tim. That should be me. Fourth place and I'm going home.
From France, he moved through the field.
Okay, I'm gonna go to my car edit. Okay, bye UTMB. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. TDS Ultra is amazing sport. Editing in a car. See you tomorrow.